thing to do is to insert the beads into the yarn, and you have to do that all together. To do that, use a needle with a big hole. And this is my way to insert the yarn into the hole. It's easier in this way. Okay, using just a little piece of paper like that, so that the beginning of the yarn is rigid, is hard enough to pass through the hole of the needle. And now insert the beads. It is important that you insert the correct number of beads, so in case it's better more beads than less. It doesn't matter if you insert more beads than you need, but it's a problem if you insert less beads than you need, because then you don't have the possibility to insert the beads anymore. So you have to do this operation at the beginning, and you have to insert all the beads you need together. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, maybe it's better 5, chain 5, and slip stitch to join to form a ring into the first chain stitch like that. We are creating the buttonhole that we will use to close the bracelet, making this buttonhole. We will use the last bead as a button in this way, so that I can connect my bracelet. In this way it's very easy, and you can do it by yourself. You can wear your bracelet, and it's very easy to close it by yourself directly. You don't need to call your husband to close the bracelet. Okay, now from here chain 1, and now single crochet 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Slip stitch to join into the first single crochet like that. Okay, try if your buttonhole is big enough to pass the bead. In my case, yes, so I can go ahead with my work. From here now chain 1, chain 1, enter the very first stitch again and single crochet 1. From here now chain 1, skip 1 stitch into the next one, slip stitch like that. Chain 1, turn your work. You are ready now to start your work. Okay, from here now take the first bean and put it so close to your hook in this way, yarn over and chain 1 this way. From here now, chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work, yarn over and go into the chain 1 space below, pick up the yarn, pull it through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over second time, insert your hook into the same space, pick up the yarn, pull it through, 5 loops on your hook, yarn over third time, into the same space, pick up the yarn, pull it through, 7 loops on your hook, yarn over the fourth and last time, into the same space, pick up the yarn, pull it through, 9 loops on your hook, yarn over again and finish together all the loops in this way. Now take the next bead so close to all the 9 loops, very close, don't work closely, yarn over and chain 1 in this way. From here now, chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work and repeat the segment, yarn over, go into the chain 2 space, pick up the yarn, pull it through 1, yarn over, enter the space, pick up the yarn, pull it through, second time, yarn over, go into the space, pick up the yarn, pull it through, 3 times, yarn over, insert your hook into the same space, pick up the yarn, pull it through, 9 loops on your hook, yarn over, pass the yarn through all the 9 loops like that and finish together. Next bead so close to all the loops finished together, tighten it, yarn over and chain 1 so close, chain 2 again, turn your work and repeat, yarn over, go into the chain 2 space, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through, second time, pick up the yarn, pull it through, third time, pick up the yarn, pull it through, fourth time, yarn over, finish together. Next bead so close to your work, yarn over, chain 1, and now 1 and 2 and turn and repeat, 1, 2, 3, I need yarn, 3 and 4, finish together, next bead, slip stitch, chain 2 and repeat. You have to repeat that since you reach the length you need for your bracelet. For example, in my case, I tell you how long it is, my bracelet, excluding the loop. I got 16.5 centimeters. For the inches, I think is 8.5 inches. Okay, in my case is enough, this length. I can stop my work, so I slip stitched the last time to insert the last bead. Now from here, turn your work, chain 1, go into the chain 2 space and single crochet 2, 1 and 2. Now go into the slip stitch into the chain here in the space just close to the bead and slip stitch to close your work to finish. Cut the yarn, pull the yarn in this way, turn your work, and now pass the yarn through the stitches just to hide it. Pass it through all the stitches like that. So many times you think it's necessary. Sometimes you can fix it with a chain like that. I will pass, since I have enough length to do it. Another chain to fix it. I will pass now the last time under these loops in this way, and now cut the excess in this way, and your bracelet is ready. It's very easy to close it. The last bead works like a closure, a button in this way, you see. I think it's very, very nice. I like it so much. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If so, please give me one like. It's very important for me because this is a message for me that you like my work, and I will do so many free tutorials for you. Okay, subscribe to my channel as well and click the bell to receive all notifications so that you will watch all my new videos. Okay, thanks for watching for the moment. See you very soon. Bye bye and thank you.